Little storyteller.
A little girl named Lily, with bright, curious eyes and a sprinkle of freckles across her nose, loved to help her Grandma May in the kitchen. Grandma May had soft, wrinkly hands and always wore a flower tucked behind her ear. Their kitchen was cozy, filled with the sweet smell of spices and warm cakes called kuih. Sunlight streamed through the window, making the colorful jars of ingredients on the shelves sparkle. Grandma May had a very special recipe book, its pages filled with handwritten notes and little drawings. One sunny afternoon, she showed Lily a recipe for Happy Dream Kuih. "These little cakes," Grandma May whispered, "have a touch of magic." The recipe used flour as white as snow, sugar that shimmered like tiny diamonds, and colorful fruit juices that smelled like sunshine. Lily's eyes widened with wonder as she carefully measured each ingredient. Together, Lily and Grandma May mixed and stirred. Lily giggled as she poured in blueberry juice, turning the batter a lovely shade of purple. They carefully spooned the colorful mix into little flower-shaped molds. While the kuih baked in the warm oven, filling the kitchen with an even sweeter aroma, they told each other happy stories about fluffy clouds and playful kittens. Once the Happy Dream Kuih were golden and cool, Lily placed them on a pretty plate. That evening, she gave one to her sleepy teddy bear, Barnaby, who had soft brown fur and button eyes. She also ate one herself. As Lily drifted off to sleep, she dreamt she was flying on the back of a friendly giggling dragon over a sparkling rainbow river. Barnaby snuggled beside her, dreamt of having a tea party with all his toy friends in a field of giant candy flowers. The next morning, Lily woke up with a big smile. "Grandma!" she exclaimed. "My dream was so happy." Grandma May smiled back. "That's the magic of sharing happiness, Lily. When we make things with love and kindness, even our dreams become brighter." From that day on, Lily often baked Happy Dream Kuih with Grandma May. They shared the colorful treats with their neighbors and friends, and everyone who ate them had sweet dreams. Lily learned that the most important ingredient in making happy dreams come true was kindness, a little bit like how sharing a toy makes playing even more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.